tired you look. I'll be right back. Don't you dare cry. Or go anywhere. Don't cry. Did you cry? I love you.
Is contributing. So, hi.
Yeah, I kind of threw up a couple of times. One more serious. A
Okay.
couple other
Small.
less.
It was not as bad as the other day,
Okay.
so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Just a little polyvascular congestion. The chest
is
tube. This is today's.
Oh,
This
okay.
is yesterday's.
Okay.
The chest tube is in this place. There's no reaccumulation of fluid, which is reassuring. So the tube's doing what it's supposed to do.
Okay.
From a cardiovascular standpoint, so the pilot's output doesn't respond a lot to diuretics. So actually, I think he needs some diuretics because his chest X-ray isn't perfect. But I'm going to switch him from IV to oral.
Oh,
and we'll
wow.
go to twice a day.
Okay.
And we'll continue the low-fat diet.
Well, that's not what I was going to say, but that was a lot cuter than what I was going to say. So, good job. Anyway, so we just tried a bottle of Monogen, straight up, not mixed with anything. And he took it like a champ. So if we go home and we can't separate mommy's milk into skim milk and milk fat, then we will be okay. And I don't think we'll need an NG tube. I'm very happy about not needing an NG tube, right? What are your grandparents doing behind the camera? Crazy? Are they crazy? Are they making faces? Are they making faces? You're...
Stop it!
My...
Stop it! Back on, yay!
Stop kicking me.
Ah! Stop kicking me! Why are you? Oh! What?
Hey, Emmett, what are you doing? Hey, are you okay? Hey. Stop doing that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You're freaking me out, man. Alright, I'm gonna walk away again. Are you gonna turn and smile like you were joking? Are you okay, baby? I don't, unless he just found his, like, throaty voice, you know.
Can you get it? Come get it. Get it. Come get it.
My legs hurt.